Ahoy, ahoy! The next part of my Regency Loki project is, of course, the vest. Now, this is when we're actually going to start getting a little bit of a Loki-ish kind of look going on. Used a combination of a green curtain from the thrift store, some of that sheer embroidered gold, and then just a layer of, yes, from the thrift store, a cotton bedsheet to give it a little bit more body. Also, yes, you are about to see that this is the first project where I actually used my antique Singer after I got it back in working order, just trying not to sew the cat's tail to it there. You will also notice that it has a lot more glitz and sparkle than what would have been historically accurate. A few reasons for that. One is I kind of wanted to put a little Bridgerton flair into my inspiration here, and also because I want to use this not just for Loki cosplay, but also for a Regency drag king look. And one of the main things I love about drag is the glitter. It seems they are going to get done at the very last after putting in the lining, so everything will be all nice and neat on the edges. The unfortunate thing is that means it spends a lot of time kind of looking like an unfinished project. Now the lining, which you'll see in just a minute there, that's actually that same green fabric. It was thin enough that it worked. The thing is, it just looks really blue here because this part was when I was working in Key West, so it made everything look like the ocean. And everything but the side seams, which really made me nervous along the way that I had screwed up somewhere and wouldn't know until the end. But, you just got to keep going on. That's how it is sometimes. I hand sewed the buttonholes. I actually really enjoy the process of hand sewing buttonholes. I almost never use a machine for them anymore. I just like the process of stitching them, the way it turns out, and everything about it. In a minute, you'll see the buttons, which are, again, just more pure glitz and glitter. There they are. Just some nice rhinestones to finish it off. This is the finished vest. Let me see, I don't think I got a close-up of the buttons there, which are probably my favorite part. It's very sparkly and glittery and Bridgerton-y. That means that the one thing I have left to make is the jacket, which is going to be a nightmare, I'm sure. And eventually I'll be working on that.